Rush Kane here at the One Moto show up in Portland, Oregon. I'm here with CK Worldwide, demoing the MT200. Really easy to use TIG welder. We're here running demos, showing people how to weld aluminum, stainless steel, things that are very applicable to motorcycles. One of the things that I use this machine for most is the ability and the portability to take it with me and use it off of either 220 or 110. Like a lot of places I go, like I don't have the ability to run it off of full power on 220, and they don't have that available. And so if I get called onto a job, I can roll up with this, plug it in anywhere, and I get about like 120 amps range of use and power out of it, and the ability to run it on AC. And so I can weld aluminum like virtually anywhere I want. Compared to a lot of other machines on the market, this machine comes with the best of the best consumables, like the torch package, the regulator, everything that comes with this machine is top level, it's professional grade. Virtually there's nothing to upgrade on this machine. CK is the standard in TIG welding, and everything about the quality of this little package represents that. One of the great things about this machine is it's backed by CK. Like the quality that you get from CK, they carry that into the customer care. Like customer service is amazing with CK, and they get me back and running if there's ever an issue. What's really cool is you have full AC frequency adjustment, which is a really good benefit. So if you come from an old machine, like an old transformer welder, and you're trying to get into an inverter to save some power, you can adjust your AC frequency so you can really dial it in on aluminum. So if you're welding thinner aluminum, you have the ability to increase the frequency to help stabilize that arc and get more stability, more control. This is one of the best starter packages. If you haven't TIG welded or you're getting into TIG welding and you really want to have something that gives you that full options, full capability with AC and DC in a 200 amp machine, this is a great option. I've used CK products a lot through my career, and they're the #1 product that I rely on when it comes to repeatability, consistency, and the highest quality that I can achieve in my work. I rely on CK. The MT200 has a 5 amp arc start, which is a very low in comparison to most machines in this range that are on the market. Being able to start at 5 amps gives you that fine, accurate control that you need and rely on when you're doing high quality work, especially like all the show bikes here at the One Moto show.